So have you heard about epigenetics? In my last video, I talked about epigenetics as one of the reasons for complicated behavior in people as they age. And if you haven't heard of this before, it's not a new branch of Scientology. It's actually a branch of biology, and it's a really important part of the nature versus nurture discussion. So let me explain. So you've heard that both nature and nurture influence our development, right? So nature is basically our DNA. What are we born with that contributes to our behavior later in life? Nurture refers to all of the factors outside of our DNA that affect our development. So things like our environments, how we're, parented, food, stress, all of these things, all of these external factors that affect our development. Epigenetics is what happened to your cells to affect how your genes express themselves, particularly when you were in utero. So for example, if your mother was pregnant with you while there was a war going on, so let's think about the mothers in the Ukraine right now, okay? They have a very high level of cortisol pumping through their body all the time because it's a very stressful situation. This means that the pregnant or the fetus is exposed to higher levels of cortisol, and that can be affecting how their genes are replicating, how the DNA is replicating, and that could influence their future behavior. They may be more at risk for having some kind of stress-related illness in the future. So it's amazing to think that there are so many factors that are happening even before we're born that influence how we're going to develop and our potentially complicated behaviors in the future. So what do you think about this? Isn't it interesting? I'm fascinated by epigenetics. And if you're a biologist who can clarify any of this for me or wants to expand on what I said, please do. I would love to learn more. And if I got anything wrong, definitely let me know. Thank you.